A blizzard has brought 6 feet of snow to some parts of California as the state braces for even more winter storms. California storm warnings and weather advisories remained in effect on Sunday for a substantial portion of the state, as northern and central counties braced for another round of heavy rain and snow in and around the sprawling Sierra Nevada mountain range. Meanwhile, forecasters indicated milder conditions ahead for Southern California after the region faced blizzard and dangerous floodings earlier this weekend during a powerful winter storm that the National Weather Service called one of the strongest to ever hit the area. The storm, which knocked out electricity and trapped motorists in their cars as snow blanketed roadways, had dumped more than 5 inches of rain on the inland valley areas and brought over 6 feet of snow to parts of the San Gabriel Mountains by Sunday morning. According to the National Weather Service in San Diego, the first 2 upcoming winter storm systems arrived in Northern California before dawn on Sunday.